measure the aspects, and then we're gonna compare the ratios, okay? You need to measure to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. See where I said nearest tenth of a centimeter for bell work, because I need for you to be able to get it accurately and as close as you can to the right number. So, top of the head to chin, get your ruler. I already measured it, so I have my numbers, and then you can compare with what I have, but from the top of his head, which is right here, to his chin, which is right here. Don't, be careful, that's his beard on his neck right there, don't count that part. Yeah, that's his beard on his neck.
I got 10.2.
I got 10.2. Anybody get close to that? Oh, okay. Hey, that's close enough.
I get to my one.
Okay, well, you know what? The good thing is you're only one down, and he was one up. If you're at 1 tenth off, it's not bad, because sometimes your ruler is not as precise, but they should be. Y'all just make sure you are looking to see if you're starting at 0 or not on the ruler. And not at the end of the ruler, but at 0. From the top of his head, which is here, to his pupil. Y'all, the pupil, if I'm not mistaken, is the center of the eye.
Yeah, it is.
So from here to here, what is that distance from top of the head to pupil? Tell me what you got when you get it.
4.7.
That's what I got too. And now, pupil to nose tip. So here's the pupil. Here's the nose tip right here. So from here to here. See where I just did that little section?
1.5.
Oh gosh, mine's off.
What you get?
Did you get the bottom of his nose?
No, I went to the tip of his nose.
We didn't do the very bottom, you said the tip.
Oh, I did this right here. That's probably why mine's off.
Yeah, that's what I did. I said 1.5.
Y'all got 1.5?
I got 1.5.
It's not
If you
two.
start, it's what?
It's not 2.
What did you
Oh, I
get?
went like right up there.
I'll take what you guys had. I had 1.7.
7?
But if the majority says 1.5, I'll go with 1.5.
Okay.
All right.
All right, so the next pupil to lip,
How you get 4.7? I got 4.3.
Oh, I see what you're talking
babe. I don't know if you went in the center of his eye or not, but if
Oh.
pupil's in the center,
Miss Bridget, did you do to the middle of the lips, top of the lips, or the bottom?
I did in the middle,
Okay.
right in the middle. Pupil,
So like 2.9?
2.9.
pupil,
I got 3 exactly.
Well, three.
pupil to lip, right here to here.
3 centimeters?
I mean, if you don't move from the nose to.
Why are you drawing on his face?
Because I'm trying to show you where I'm measuring, babe. I'm just trying to show you what I got.
Yeah, that's-
Right here, I got 3.
You have to make the.
It has a light.
Do we have to do that for the person on the back?
Okay, so the person on the back, I don't want you to write on their face, because you're gonna print their face out to my printer or to the library printer if that one doesn't work, TJ. Stay with me, please. And once,
What is in the?
because you're gonna do the exact same thing on the back, but I'm not helping on the back.
The
I'm
width.
gonna help you on that part at the bottom, because I know you may not understand how to do this
So
part.
not the size of the face.
It tells you at the bottom how to calculate it after you get all these measurements. So he was asking about the proportion part, so I don't wanna jump ahead of that, but once you get all these numbers, they've already calculated scientifically from what to what you're measuring the ratio for. Kinda like when we
Is
saw the
the width
video.
of his nose 1.7?
1.7.
Yeah, that's what I got shown.
I would.
With, I got 1.8, but that's close enough.
1.8.
I did, but if you got 1.7, I'll
Miss
put
Bridget,
that.
that's Sigma, that's office though.
The width of his nose is how wide does his go from side to side?
Yeah, but like the 1.8 is like the off of this nose.
So what did you say, y'all got?
1.7. See, come
Who
on.
knows you measure?
Look, Miss Bridget.
I mean, I'll take you on record.
See, if you start right
His
here.
eyes
Did you
are.
measure
1.8
twice his
is right
blister?
here. His nose is
Okay,
right
so
here.
maybe I was
Did you measure
His
twice?
eye distance is 1.5.
Maybe I did. Thought I did.
Yes.
Y'all got my form Saturday?
Hey, Bridget, if you give me a test and I gotta measure somebody's face,
Riley, the other Riley.
Okay, so let me finish, so we
What time
can
do
do
it
it.
from form
And it
Saturday?
work. Outside distance between eyes.
Are we doing like a
That's like
starting his
saying
hair?
3.9
Starting the hair or like?
Yes, I'm with you on that. What you said, I got 3.9 as well. So from outside distance, from here to here, I got 3.9. So I'm with Sean on that. And now the width of his head, I think we would most likely go from the wide part, from here to here, wouldn't you?
It's like 40 big.
Yeah, because the width is from the side to side. Tell me what you get.
I got 7.
6.8.
6.8, what you
I got
get?
7
You know
exhibits.
what I know?
7 exactly.
You must not
Me
match
too.
that.
Miss Brisky, you can-
Wait.
7 is all the way off
I
my
can't
head.
measure.
You know, I
Seven is not off my
You right about that,
It's
I
off
am
my
not.
head.
But what's that? Okay, but while you're talking smack about me, what did
Miss
you
Brisky,
get?
look.
I got 7 exactly.
6.8. See,
Hair
look.
to hair.
It's off, that's
Bro,
off his head.
I got 7 exactly.
That's
Seven
approximately.
is off his head.
I got 6.9.
Okay, after 6.8.
It's the way
That's
it's
good,
head
that's
angle.
good, right there, it's stable.
It's not.
That's
It's
it.
not.
You go from
Off his
Let's
head.
do, I'm gonna do what the majority says.
I'll go 6.9 go in the middle though. I'll go 6.9.
Cause 6.9 is what I got.
Sounds good.
Christina,
Well, you have to enjoy it.
TJ,
So they gonna
if this
do that.
ruler come across this
No,
place.
no, we're not throwing rulers.
Oh.
Please no. It's not here.
That's a felony, isn't it?
I don't care.
6.8 on the table.
That's fine. You don't have to have the same numbers as I do, but you do need to make sure you understand how to get the ratio, so that way you can calculate the percent of their beauty, of his beauty. So
3.7.
Carolina people, got the same thing, sweetheart.
3.6.
We going to the receipt part.
Y'all measuring out, you got.
We have a different ruler that's.
Okay, whoever's at 3.7, I want that down.
Oh, you recording? Let's see.
You scream, that's why I said something. Because I've been trying to post stuff on there because they're like alternative school.
Damn, y'all.
You're killing me.
That was our.
And nose tip to chin.
I got 3.8.
So here's the nose tip. There's his chin. Breathe.
I got 3.6.
See,
Good.
you
I-
Wait, no, Amari. Wait, Amari, now.
I got 3.8.
3.8.
Right what you got. I'm saying.
3.8 is high.
You got that for your last year?
yeah, 3.8.
I got this.
I got 3.8.
If Shana says it, I know I'm right. But she is extremely judgmental. Lips to chin.
2.4.
From the top of the head. Wait.
You got your measure.
Lips to chin is what?
2.4.
I got more than
2.5. 2.5.
I got 2.5.
Wait, y'all going too fast.
2.6, 2.5.
To be honest, I got 2.6 here, but I'm gonna.
Wait.
Okay.
Oh, no, that's the next one.
Let's go ahead to.
No, wait, I haven't done, I haven't wrote length of lips.
I can see what I can.
Length of lips is what?
2.9.
Wait, I don't think I got mine. No, do it again.
I thought 2.5 was the next one. Because that's what.
The length of his lips,
They're like 2.4.
I got 2.5, so that sounds good.
Yeah, I got
All
2.5. I had
right, we're gonna keep that.
And then 1.3.
Nose tip, you said 1.3?
Are we doing the top, bottom, or middle?
Kaylee.
I'm doing
Yeah,
the,
that's
Okay.
I was doing nose tip to the middle.
So.
1.5?
1.5?
Yes, that sounds good to me. Now, the next part you really need to pay attention to, because the ratio portion is gonna be a tad bit different for some of you. Because I want you to use the numbers that you have in your box. I'm gonna use the numbers that I have here, but you use your numbers. So, when it tells you to write the ratio of A to G, it's telling you to look back up for what you put for A, which I put 10.2, and my G is 6.9. So I'm gonna write that in this box down here. 10.2 over 6.9. And if you would, please divide that. Oh, divide what you have, I'm sorry, divide what you have.
I got to take 1.6.
1.6.
Whatever you have, write it down. I'm writing mine down, and I got 1.47, and I'm gonna stop at 8. 1.478, that's what I have.
Okay, round.
I rounded mine off because my number behind it didn't round it up.
Mine would be
You gotta look at
1.43.
whatever your calculator says. Alright,
Do
so,
we need 3 numbers at the decimal?
So what you put one?
I didn't, you wanna go as far as possible, at least 3, because the golden ratio is 1.618, so you wanna try to give me 3 behind the decimal, more precise, the better. So, do all of your ratios, right? And after you do all of your ratios, then we're gonna calculate the actual percentage of his beauty. Okay? Do you want me to show you how to do that right quick, or you want me to give you a minute to do the ratio?
Let's do it.
That's your add all of them up, then divide by 2.
No, not by 2, darling. So, yeah, let me pause, and you go ahead and get your ratios. Back and tell you what I got. I'm not gonna, I started doing it, but I didn't finish. But what I have for my numbers when I divide it, as you can see, none of these numbers are 1.618. None of them are that. But they're probably kind of close to it. So what we want to do is get an average of all of his ratios. To get an average of something, what do?
Add mine together, divided by the number.
Good job. So I started writing that down here. I didn't finish it, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish. Right here at the bottom of the screen, I took all of my ratios. You're gonna add them all up and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you get everything here,
To type all 3 numbers in.
divide by 7. I want it accurate and precise, so yes, please.
You said all 3.
No, she said behind the decimals what she's referring to.
Today you throw something else at me, and I'm gonna knock you to your little
Let's
hurt.
not knock anybody anywhere. Thank you.
You better stop throwing stuff at me.
It'd be kind of like me lying on
1.437.
I was just about saying my
TJ, Tedrick.
What we supposed to divide by?
How many boxes are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7.
You know,
All right.
1.527857743.
Haley,
I'm
it's
glad
not
you
the time.
Okay, I got for mine 1.537.
Mine's close. I got
Yeah,
1.43.
I got 1.5.
So this is what you're gonna do, because I want to give you a percentage, and you know the percentages like they did in that video. I wanna show you how they calculated it. Essentially, is you're gonna take this number right here that you got, yours alone, not mine, but write your number down, and divide by the golden ratio.
Hey,
Alright.
hey,
Which
G, why
is-
did you divide that by 7?
Because there's 7 boxes, we wanted to get an average, then we were asking Darwin. So I'm gonna take my number, 1.537, divide by the golden ratio, which is 1.618. When you divide, after you get that number on your calculator, hold on, I'm gonna move.
Hey, what's
You
the-
multiply that number by 100, because percent is out of 100, okay?
Okay, he only 88% ugly.
Oh, 88%.
Okay.
I got 88%.
88.8.
So that depends on
Yeah,
how
I got
ugly you
my
is
face
or how
rocket
beautiful you
2000.
is.
I got
I got
94.
94.
Oh, so he 88.
Okay, so
Sean, you got him finer than he needs to be.
my percentages is off from a lot of y'all's, because when I did this,
I got 90.
I got 94.
now did y'all multiply by 100?
I got 88.
I got
Okay,
94.
so
Mark
yours is
said,
extremely
I'm
low.
gonna get,
I got 94.
What's
What?
yours?
He not that handsome, son.
Mark said I'm gonna get 40 to 90.
I didn't
He
say.
ain't crude at all.
9. I got 94.9%.
See that what I
What
got?
about this?
I got
Well,
95.
your numbers are not the same as mine, so it's gonna cause a variation, but I would ask that you double check everything, because I thought that his numbers were it depends on how you measure your face. If you aren't very forgiving with his face, then your percent will be lower, but this is what I got. Does yours have to match mine? No.
So that's my percentage.
You can keep yours the way you have it, yes. So now here's your assignment. You need to find
I put dollars.
the face, the frontal profile, not side, but the front profile of a face that you want to do the ratios for.
Oh, I should do my senior. Oh,
I
Okay.
just call
my
me.
senior.
It's gotta be front. Put Please, no side, no selfies where they're turning and tilting. It's gotta be front.
Christina, I'm doing you.
A lot. You better be 100%.
Can it be a close-up?
Yes, it can.
Especially gonna do you.
I don't want anybody to do me because,
I'm gonna be.
see, this is,
I like the game.
on the back is where you write your numbers down, okay?
My nose big.
Oh my gosh.
You shut up.